Are you looking for easy, effective cardio workouts that you can do anywhere? Whether you're a beginner or just want to keep it simple, I've got you covered with 5 powerful exercises to boost your fitness and keep your heart healthy. Let's dive in. First up, we have running or jogging, a classic and highly effective workout. Running or jogging is a full-body cardio activity that elevates your heart rate and burns calories. Why is it effective? It's one of the best ways to improve endurance, cardiovascular health, and stamina while toning your legs and core. How to do it? Start with a light jog for 5 to 10 minutes to warm up. Maintain a steady pace or alternate between jogging and walking to build endurance. Reps or duration: aim for 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Adjust the pace and time based on your fitness level. Next, let's talk about cycling, a low-impact workout perfect for all fitness levels. Cycling involves pedaling on a bicycle or a stationary bike to get your heart pumping. Why is it effective? It's gentle on your joints and a fantastic way to strengthen your legs, glutes, and core while burning calories. How to do it? If you're outdoors, ride on flat terrain to start. Indoors, use a stationary bike and adjust the resistance to your comfort level. Reps or duration: begin with 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 5 days a week, and increase duration as you build stamina. Third on the list is jump rope, an underrated but powerful cardio workout. It's a full-body workout that uses a rope to jump over continuously, boosting your coordination and agility. Why is it effective? It burns more calories in less time compared to many other workouts and strengthens your legs, arms, and core. How to do it? Hold the rope handles with your elbows close to your body. Start with slow jumps and find a rhythm that suits you. Reps or duration: begin with 1 to 2 minutes per session, resting in between. Gradually increase to 5 to 10 minutes daily. Fourth, we have brisk walking, one of the simplest and most accessible cardio workouts. It's walking at a fast pace that gets your heart rate up but still allows you to hold a conversation. Why is it effective? It's easy on your joints and great for improving cardiovascular fitness and mental clarity. How to do it? Maintain an upright posture, swing your arms naturally, and pick up the pace so you feel slightly out of breath. Reps or duration: walk briskly for 30 to 40 minutes, 4 to 5 times a week. If you're a beginner, start with shorter 10 to 15 minute sessions. Finally, let's talk about step-ups, a fantastic low-impact workout that doubles as strength training. Step-ups involve stepping onto a raised surface, like a bench or staircase, and stepping back down repeatedly. Why is it effective? It strengthens your legs, glutes, and core while improving your balance and heart rate. How to do it? Use a sturdy platform around knee height. Step up with one leg, then the other, and step back down in the same order. Reps or duration: do 10 to 15 reps per leg for 3 sets. As you progress, add light weights or increase the pace. There you have it, 5 easy cardio workouts to boost your fitness and energy levels. Remember, consistency is key. Start slow, build up your stamina, and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which workout you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.